Hey guys, welcome to this week's episode of LJ's Garage. For this week I decided I want to show you guys a little how-to video on switching out the stock stereo in the C5 Vet. And I decided I'm going to go ahead and upgrade to this little JVC, and then I'm going to go ahead and do a little backup camera install as well. Just something to upgrade the base stereo, but nothing that's going to break the budget too much because, again, it's mostly for cruising. It's not really something I'm going to drive every day, but you get tired of having just a list of radio. So switch it out, and I'll give you guys a little step-by-step. Stay tuned. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and disconnect your battery. And then go ahead and lift this here. And then get these three screws. And then you got two nuts right here. And they should be 10 mils. And so once you got that lifted off, you're going to go ahead and just disconnect all the electrical. And there's a little push tab on the back of this. Just put a flathead in there, pops right out. And then once you get all the electrical, go ahead and take these two nuts off. Alright, and then once you got the electrical, go ahead and take these two 10mm nuts and you'll be good to go. And then there's going to be one screw right here, and that's a T15. And then right behind the steering wheel there's going to be a vent, and just put that flathead right under there and it should pop right out. And then under it, it's going to be another, should be T15 screw. Blurry. Come on, focus, focus. Alright, and once you've got all the screws, go ahead and disconnect the cable connector for your fuel door, and then everything just slides backwards. And then this last screw is kind of hard to find, but go ahead and just grab onto this door. And then right back there is your last bolt screw. And then when you go to remove everything, once you've got that last screw, you're going to have to get this transmission into neutral so you can go ahead and lift everything off. So what we went ahead and did, we just put the key in, and it allowed us to shift even though we had the battery terminal disconnected, and then everything should just pop right out. And then right before you pull everything out, there's going to be one more plug here. Go ahead and disconnect that. And then the next step is to get the old stereo out, and there's going to be two 7mm bolts on each side. And you can go ahead and remove the climate control if you wanted a little more room to work. And then the next step is just to go ahead and pull all those harness plugs out.